Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 3 sine t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 9 sine t square, number 9 and number 9. We can do about factorization, 1 minus sine t square in here. We can change by cosine t square, and later that we simplify 1 over 2 and ds. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 3 cosine t dt. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 9 sine t square, number 9 and number 9. We can do about factorization, 1 minus sine t square we change by cosine t square, and this one we have 3 cosine t. And now we simplify 3 cosine t on numerator and denominator. So for this one, that is about 81 sine t to the power of 4. So I will put 81 go outside. So this one we can change by cosecant of t to the power of 4. So this one we can write cosecant of t square and cosecant of t square. Next, we have the formula. Cosecant of t square equals to 1 plus cotan t square. So I will put this one gone here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. Now I will put about z equal to cotan t. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative cosecant of t square dt. Because we don't have the negative side in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by z, and we have z square. This one we change by negative dz. And now we have the final answer. Number 1, that is about z. This one we have z to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. About z, that is about cotan t. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 3. And now we have t equals to arc sine of s over 3. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.